is a HO Challenger Dendron Rio Grande that I'm working on. I picked this one up and needed some work on it. Somebody had put the motor up way too high, so I've realigned that, so I've now got that sitting straight, and that one there pretty straight there as well. This one had a rock in it, so I've had to do a little bit of packing just to stop it. Still allow that to move, but just stop it wobbling. So I've realigned all that, and I've given it a grease with the nano oil. Of these nano oils, they're the best on the market. And to get the speaker in, there's a weight, a massive weight here that fits in there. So what I've done is I've made an enclosure for a 27mm high bass speaker, and you can see what I've done here. I've just made this out of cardboard, which you get your packets of detail parts in, so I can get to the front. I'm going to put a front across that. That's going to slide inside the front, and because there's a hole through there, I can get porting out there with the sound coming out the front there. That'll be the first speaker that I'll put in. I'll see how one goes. I may be able to put a second, but with that I've curved that so that when I get it in, that fits around there, and I'll just have a little bit of clearance there. Well, we've got the weight back in there. Now we're going to put the speaker facing up, so it's going to port up through the hole in the front, and that curve that we put in should just make it fit nicely. There we go. So that's in there now. So there's the speaker. Now we need to test it, and you see there's enough clearance there. Let's look down through there, we can see the shiny center cone.
Great Northern 5 chime.
Well, there's a Great Northern whistle in it there from the WOW, and that's pretty good sound out of that. You need to turn it down, but that's quite sharp and good. So the speaker's working in there very well. We do a rotation. That's a good sound out of that speaker compared to the other little speakers that I'm running in that. Now that's the 27. Ended up I pinched it out of my box.